How to share Instagram story to my story. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to share Instagram stories to your own stories. But before I do that, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so there's two different ways of sharing somebody else's story to your own story. The first one is if you've been tagged in that person's story, it will actually come up with a button that allows you to share that one to your story. So you just need to tap on the share to your story button and you can then share that one to your story. Another way of doing this is if you're not actually tagged in that person's story. So there's a couple of different ways to do this. You can't actually do it natively through the app, but say for example, if I open up somebody's story here and just have a look at it, this one's a photo, so if I wanted to share this one to my story, all I would need to do is just take a screenshot of this photo, which I was a little bit slow on that one, but I've done this one. So I've just taken a screenshot, it's saved that one to my device, and then I can then just go ahead and post that one to my story. Or there's another way of doing it. If you see, I'm using a screen recording device here called X Recorder. You can actually go ahead and record your screen while watching somebody's story. Then you can download that video and actually share that video to your story on your Instagram profile. So that's all it takes to share Instagram stories to your own stories. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.